Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't change Windows 10 power plan. First method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Power CFG space, minus, restore default schemes. Second method is, click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Power, click Run the troubleshooter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.